Let's begin by defining your niche. Identify specific SaaS topics, tools, or industries you want to focus on. Next, research your audience. Understand who your target viewers are and what content they seek. Create a content plan to develop a schedule for video topics, mixing tutorials, reviews, and insights. Set up your channel by optimizing it with a professional name, branding, and description. Invest in quality equipment. Use good cameras and microphones to enhance video and audio clarity. Focus on creating engaging thumbnails that are eye-catching and encourage clicks and views. Implement SEO strategies using relevant keywords in titles, descriptions, and tags to improve discoverability. Don't forget to promote your videos. Share your content on social media and relevant online communities to broaden your reach. Collaborating with industry experts can help you cross-promote and expand your audience. Finally, analyze and iterate. Regularly review your channel's performance metrics and refine your strategy as needed.